Greetings my fellow LEGO fans, welcome back to my channel. And yeah, it's already the second Sunday during Advent time, and yeah, the 6th of December, and you know what it means? Right, we got our Christmas wreath. I think now I got it. And there's already the one candle burning since last week. Already got a bit shorter, and I would say it's definitely time to light the second candle. That's the tradition, and that's what we're gonna do. So, fire on! Yeah, and now we have two candles burning, and looks great. Candlelight is always nice. Well, could be a bit more shiny, but yeah. So, that's it already for this video. Hope you have a great day, and see ya in our wreath next week. Till then, bye bye!